Hi, now we're learning we've already reviewed how to register for an account. If you need to see that video, go ahead and go back to the page and click on it. You will be logging in with your email address after you've created that account and using your password. You're also going to then choose a schedule. So you're going to either choose one-on-one appointments or you're going to choose workshops. And one-on-one appointments are where you are working one-on-one with another tutor and you are working on your assignment and getting work done on whatever it is you need to do. Whereas workshops, you'll be working with a group of people with a teacher or a tutor, and you will be focusing not on an assignment, but on a skill. So thesis statement or body paragraphs or summary versus analysis. You can check our workshop schedule online to get more information about what these workshops do. For today, we're going to be looking at a one-on-one appointment. So you click there and you log in, and you'll see this schedule here. And so when you're looking at this schedule, all you're going to do is you're going to choose a tutor, and you can do that in a number of ways. If you know a tutor, you've worked with a tutor before, if they're available, you can choose them again. The gray means that they're not available, and the white means that they are. You can also, if you're an APLAC student and you need a previous APLAC student, we have a list of those on our website, and you can access that there so that you can easily see, oh, okay, Claudette is an APLAC tutor, so I can make sure that I schedule an appointment with her. And so you would easily click the box, and you would be able to this is how you make the appointment. You need to fill out all of this information here: course, instructor, period. You're going to briefly describe the assignment for your tutor. You're going to tell them how you're feeling about the assignment so far. And you want to be as specific as you can here. If you're kind of in the beginning of your assignment, that's okay too. You want to give them as much information as you can so they can help you. What do you want to work on? If you're in the beginning, you would brainstorm. If you're kind of finished and you have a full draft, it might be style or grammar, but you want to pick at least one area of focus. You want to paste your Google Doc here if you have one. If you do have one, you want to make sure that you change it to anyone with link can comment so that your tutor can access it. You need help with that. There's a video on this as well. And if you don't have a Google Doc yet because you haven't started your assignment and you're just looking to brainstorm with your tutor, then you can put non-applicable right here. Okay? And so then you're going to create the appointment, and here's what it looks like. So you are set for this date. It's an online tutor. Here is your tutor. And their staff or resource is the tutor that you'll be working with. And then you'll actually go back to this when you are ready to do your appointment. You're going to log back in. You'll see, oh, this is my appointment here. And then you'll click right here, and that's going to start your actual tutorial. And so it'll open a new window, and when your tutor shows up, they will be right here in the window for you. And you'll use this space here as a space for you guys to brainstorm. Your writing will appear in one color. Their writing will appear in a different color so that you can differentiate your notes. You'll be able to use a lot of different tools. You'll be able to chat via typing if you want to. You can talk and discuss just like you would in person. So when you're all done, you and the tutor will be filling out a form together that it's called a client form, and you and the tutor will go over what you talked about and what you worked on and what your goals are, and that will be your proof of showing how that you completed the tutorial as well. Okay, and so that's how you create a Writing Center tutorial using MyWC Online, and we're looking very forward to working with you with this new format.